Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, I'd like it to be good night when this little video of mine reaches you. It's a beautiful morning. It's another day. It's a Jamaican morning, and most of all, it's an October morning. Good morning to all my Paris that were born in the month of October. I don't know, so I'm an October girl too. Give me some birthday emoji in the comment section. Good morning to you. And did I say good night? I would like it to be most of all when this little video reaches you, when you cock up. Yeah, man, if I did not say it, make sure say, or when you're in your bed and cock up. Yeah, watch this. You know, we had the rains yesterday. Actually, yesterday evening, going into the night. We had some rains, so everything is fresh, as you can see behind me. Fresh green and all of that. And we are giving God thanks. Thanks for the gift of life and all of that. I still haven't got any water. From the 3rd of September, I still haven't got any water in my tank, in my pipe. But you know, I'm just holding on because God is good. So this video is to show you how God provides for us. You know, in the next clip or the next 2 clips, you'll see what I'll do. I want to show you. It might not seem much to some people, or a matter of fact, it might not seem anything. But as you go on this journey of life, you grow to acknowledge and to accept and also to appreciate just some little things that nature has to offer. I want to show you how you can get a natural, fresh cup of lemongrass tea made. Even though there's no water in your pipe, I'll show you what has been provided from the source that provides all water. So I'll show you how refreshing. And as I said before, it doesn't seem like anything to some people, or it may not seem, but it's a lot, and it's a huge blessing. So I just want to share with you, because I came out in my backyard doing a little chores, and I wanted a cup of lemongrass tea. I fell for that. So I just want to share with you what a blessing it is that you can come out, you can get some water from up above, free of cost, to make yourself a refreshing, natural cup of lemongrass tea. See you in the next clip. So Paris, this is my lemongrass plant that I have in my backyard right here. Yes, the rain fell last night and it is early morning, and this is how fresh the lemongrass plant is. If you are following my channel right here, the Jamaican Debbie Deb's Train, which I hope you are, and also on West Indian Delights, my cooking channel, you would have seen where my puppy Roxy decided to really do away with this lemongrass plant, but more than let him. So this is what my lemongrass looks like in my backyard. And I also want you to take a note of where it is located, where it is. You know where I go? You see what I'm saying? So I am going to be showing you how to make a cup of fresh, natural lemongrass tea from your backyard, especially a Jamaican backyard. This is my lime tree. I want to remember the story. I'm going to leave the link in the description to this lime tree. I think Amaru remembered. I don't know how many you remembered when I told you that I would not be giving up on this lime tree. Well, this is it. Look at it. Look at it. And yes, me still not get no water, but the rain fell last night and it is fresh. Fresh, the leaves are fresh with the dew and all of that. Fresh. I hope you are seeing the dew on the leaves right here. So fresh. Oh yes, so I was saying I wanted to take a note of where my lemongrass plant is located. You just don't want to go breaking your lemongrass from any place. You know, the place must be clean at the root and all of that. You don't want to go breaking your lemongrass to make tea any place. So I'll be showing you in the next clip how you prepare a cup of fresh lemongrass tea. Okay? So Paris, this is the lemongrass plant, and right down here, these are the parts where people cut. You use these in like cooking and stuff, but growing up as a little girl in the country, we would just use the leaves. And this is lemon, but I think there is fever grass. Some people want to dispute that there is not fever grass, but there is. The fever grass is dark green, it's way greener. So it is sharp, really sharp at the edge. So you gotta be careful to cut you like a razor. So you wanna cut it like from here. I'm just making myself a cup of tea. So normally when I go a country, them always say 1 tree or 5 leaf to make tea. So me want my leaf, so you cut it right here at the interval where it can spring back. Right here you get on it. You cut it off right here. Zoom it, come up on it. Right here, you cut it off. So it, you know, right here. So I'm looking 3 leaves. So as a little girl growing up, this is all I would see them do it. Probably if you want to cut off this end, where you see right here, so kind of dry. So would fold it like this. Yeah, come out. You know you're that country, and you fold it like this. Look at me here, and you come and you make something like a slip knot. And you make it just like this. So we're gonna get some water boil now. We're gonna get it washed, of course, properly. And that's why I said in an earlier clip, make sure you know where your lemongrass. You know, I got to have the lemongrass I grow when I look at rubbish heap and I look at, you know, look at dirty something. You know, and them something. You think for clean. So we're gonna get it properly washed, and we're gonna get our water boil. We'll leave it to seep in the next clip. And of course, we are gonna drink it, make you see. And you gotta see when me I go eat when me I drink it. Paris, I'm about to make my lemongrass tea. So the very first thing, I'm going to put on my water, get my flame up. Oh, so I'm just making like about 2 cups of tea out of that, because I want my tea strong. So you know I have to be using this because the water in my pipe. You don't understand. So you want to wash it, but remember I told you the edges are sharp. So be careful. It got to be, even if you put on gloves, it will slice the gloves. So you know normally you don't have your water from your pipe and you don't have it, but I don't have any water in my pipe. I need to make my tea. So as you wash it and all of that, you know, as if you do it just like I told me, used to me that country and I know how to deal with this, you know. So you want to wash it, and you can't find no cover for that, so you're going to cover your pot. You're going to leave your water to boil. I just rest it on a plate right here, and when you see me back again, the water will boil. I'm going to leave it tonight, and I'm going to show you how I do it. My son come. So this mine was about 4 minutes, Paris. Yeah. So I'm good like that. Yeah. 7 minutes, it would be a little greener. So yeah, you have your cup. I'm drain my cup. Yep. And when you're that country, you have a little broke down strainer. When you use a little pop down strainer like this, you make it tea nicer. So you know, remember with that country, you have the little broke off, not cure them all. We have to wash them and left them in a bleach water. So I make sure, say, yeah, you know. Yeah, so you take out as much as you want. And I told you that I will be making like 2 cups. This will be probably like about 2.5 cups. So I want about that for drink. So I'm gonna go just leave my thing here. Yeah, you remember them days in our country? And this is my perfect 100% pure, no preservatives, no additives cup of lemongrass tea. So I'm gonna drink my tea now. I'm gonna show you what I eat my tea with. Soon come. So Paris, I'm here with my tea. I already see my tea already. So wow, just the right way for me, not too weak, not too strong. Go straight down on the gas bag. Yes, man. So look at me here. This is Jamaican yellow belly sweet potato pudding, my way, my style. Yeah. And if you're following me on the cooking channel Instagram, I've got 2 Instagram accounts. You see where I've posted up I did pudding and pudding cakes and puddings for one party. And no, I'm not taking orders for puddings. People are asking. I'll be taking orders for black cakes. I really don't take pudding orders, party. I do puddings if my party come and want a pudding, I'll just do a pudding for you. But I really don't take orders. How I do my pudding, it takes a lot out of me. It takes a lot because I like it that way. So I have sweet potato pudding. You notice I didn't put any sugar in my tea. That's my pudding. Yeah. So I'm going to take me a slice. Yeah. Ooh. And I want you to look at this. I hope you're seeing this. Perfect. Perfect. Hope you're seeing this. And I'll be enjoying this with my lemongrass tea. I probably not comment. Whoever drink lemongrass or fever grass with pudding, you know what will be good with this party? And fritters, whether barefoot, saltfish, or crispy fritters on top of this. Tell me what you know about fat right on over here. Let me tell you something. Let me ask you something. When you know I come look for me. When are you guys coming by me? Really hard thing this, you know. This lemongrass tea, it is so addicting. Man, you know, this video was about showing you what a blessing it is in spite of everything. No water, the rains came. I have my lemongrass. Big up to my neighbor, he gave me that lemongrass plant. And if the wetty something up on the top, it will be more bomb. Tell me when you come by me, you know. I want to do a video. I want to get a little information out. People been asking me some questions. I don't want to load up the thing too much. So if you're following me on any of my Instagram and you want to get more information on the Jamaican, my backyard and stuff, and how you can get to hook me up and stuff, send me a message. DM me on Instagram. I don't want to load up too much of my thing. So I say, when we say load up, I don't want to give out too much information on the tube of such, you know what I'm saying. And I'm going to do a video and I'm going to let you know what is happening, how we'll be doing things. Maybe in my next video. I want to big up a few people who have been a tower of strength and support to me. Which they don't mind. Me know them not mind them name call because they don't really care like that. You know, they're just who they are. They're real October girls and all of that. So we're just who we are. Remember again, if you're born in the month of October, leave me some birthday emojis. Tell me your birthday. Send and tell me the date of your birthday date. I can shout you out. Why not? So we are going to finish. Let me take one more sip of tea. We don't know. And of course another one. It won't do any harm. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things.